Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at why Doge might be the new Bitcoin and why you should buy it. Dogecoin is one of the trending cryptocurrencies, which is grabbing a critical spot in the crypto space. Dogecoin is a high-value buy for the years to come as predicted by experts. The project has a lot of potential to grow. Dogecoin aims to become the default crypto for merchant payments in this year itself, which will eventually lead to greater gains. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of digital money that, much like Bitcoin, enables peer-to-peer transactions across a decentralized network. One important difference is Bitcoin is the original blockchain proof of concept. Bitcoin is groundbreaking. It is, some believe, world-changing tech with the potential to transform how money works in the 21st century. According to CNET.com, Adrian Lee, a senior finance lecturer at the University of Technology in Sydney, was once quoted saying, "It's a puzzle to me why Dogecoin is so highly valued. Dogecoin is an easily replicable coin. It barely distinguishes itself from Bitcoin. The dog as a mascot has always been thought to be somewhat funny. If you spent any time on the internet during the last decade, you've probably heard of the Doge meme. At the peak of the meme's popularity near the tail end of 2013, Palmer, an Australian marketer for one of the world's largest tech companies, made a joke combining two of the internet's most talked about topics, cryptocurrency and Doge. It was a joke taking aim at the bizarre world of crypto and Bitcoin's multiple derivatives. Marcus, who developed Dogecoin, freely admits to finding large chunks of Bitcoin's source code completely incomprehensible, but knew enough to change a few core elements for Dogecoin. For example, Marcus created 100 billion Dogecoins as opposed to Bitcoin's 21 million, and made them easier to mine. Dogecoin is already close to being mined out, while Bitcoin's final coin will be mined in 2140. The font was altered, as well as the keyword mine was changed to dig, because he thought digging was more of a dog thing than mining. Marcus had a relatively powerful gaming PC with 2 graphics cards, so he was officially the first person to mine Dogecoin. But given the nature of mining, which gets increasingly difficult as the currency is mined, his computer was no longer powerful enough to mine Dogecoin after about 5 minutes. Marcus split what he'd mined 50-50 with Palmer, and that was that. Both got about $5,000 worth of Dogecoin, and that's all the Dogecoin either man would ever own. In online crypto circles, Dogecoin became popular very quickly. Forum threads moved rapidly. The name Dogecoin echoed throughout dark corners of the internet. But Reddit was almost certainly the main driver in Dogecoin's rapid rise to crypto stardom. The Dogecoin subreddit exploded almost immediately, and with that explosion came the infrastructure any cryptocurrency needs if it's to become successful: mining pools. But it was the Reddit tipping bot that drove Dogecoin into the stratosphere. If a user posted something to the effect of, "Hey Dogebot, tip this person 5 Dogecoin," that Reddit user would automatically receive 5 Dogecoin. People were sending Dogecoin back and forth in a feel-good exercise that cost very little money in real-world terms. The failure of Moolah pushed Dogecoin into prominence. Run by a British man calling himself Alex Green, Moolah was a cryptocurrency exchange designed to help people buy and sell Dogecoin. They infiltrated the Dogecoin community with startling efficiency. Alex Green began by doling out Dogecoin in exchange for upvotes on the Dogecoin subreddit. He also donated generously to charitable causes the community were involved in, like $2,500 to a cancer charity or $3,000 to help get the Dogecoin NASCAR vehicle on track. The community loved it. Soon, Moolah began hiring people from the Dogecoin community for key positions in the company. Later, Moolah began soliciting the Dogecoin community for investment dollars, and plenty donated Dogecoin to the cause. Why not? Moolah had been generous in the past. It made sense to repay the favor. Moolah received over $300,000 from the Dogecoin community across 3 separate rounds of investment. And then, it all came crashing down. Months later, in October 2014, Moolah went completely bankrupt. The Dogecoin community would end up losing every single cent they'd invested. The situation got worse when it was revealed that Green was actually Ryan Kennedy, who was notorious in the UK anime community for running companies terrifyingly similar to Moolah. For a coin that would become what it is today, it was not expected to survive the scam saga. Yet the coin is here, staring us in the face and making waves in the crypto industry. Currently, Dogecoin, or Doge, is trading at above 3.1 cents, with Doge price 2.16% down today. The market cap of Dogecoin is USD 4 billion, with more than 128 billion Doge circulating currently. The 24-hour price movement chart indicates that over $2 billion worth of Doge were trading. But what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer, decentralized, and digital currency that allows you to send money online easily. It was initiated as a joke, but who knew it would become so significant in the crypto world? The Doge cryptocurrency is even used by some retailers to accept payments. Its logo is a dog, that's their friendly mascot, which also makes them so much more likable among the social media crowd. The fact that Dogecoin was launched in 2013 and is still around is not a joke. That's a long time in the world of cryptocurrencies and helps Doge achieve legitimacy and credibility that other coins don't have. It is one of the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. With the market being so volatile, predicting the cryptocurrency's price is really one of the most difficult tasks. M. Zakaria M., a prominent Steemit blogger, claims that a single Dogecoin would be worth $1 in 5 years' time frame. With all other fiat currencies moving in and out of Doge, $1 or even $10 a Doge is reasonable in 5 years. Coindesk.com predicted that in 2020, the coin will surge by more than half a cent. Dogecoin has already been adopted as a means of payment for goods and services by merchants such as eGifter, allgamer.net, and dozens of other online stores. There are even speculations of Doge getting closer to currencies like IOTA and Tron. It jumped upwards into the top 25 within a rather small period of time. Even the traders are quite optimistic about this token. Dogecoin was initially thought to most likely hover around the 2 cents mark, where the maximum expected price might be 2.8 cents and the minimum expected price might be 2.1 cents. But by 2025, Dogecoin was predicted to likely reach the 4 cents mark. It might reach 5 cents also if it doesn't come across any turbulence. Dogecoin price prediction suggests that the Dogecoin price is up for a long-term gain in the Doge price value with a 5-year investment. This means that in 2025, the Dogecoin price is forecasted to stand at around 4.4 cents. The highest expected price in 2025 might be 28 cents, and the lowest expected price might be 4.5 cents. As per the Dogecoin price chart and the Dogecoin price analysis, Dogecoin has a greater capability and might outperform other peer cryptocurrencies by 2030. It might even go up the ranking ladder and go ahead with major integrations and partnerships. It might increase the user adoption rate. By 2030, Dogecoin might reach 20 cents. 2040 is a long way to go. By then, Dogecoin might shape itself to be one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies, given its progress is stable. Their community might turn out to be one of the best one amongst its competitors. There is a probability that Doge might integrate with profitable organizations, which might increase the valuation incredibly. By 2040, Dogecoin might reach $2. Dogecoin is considered pretty attractive for traders who are looking to cash in on short-term spikes in the value of a volatile coin. This chart shows us why. The chart shows the coin making 800% gains like it's nothing. Get ready for another 60% leg up here with this breakout. Will you enter? TRND indicators make it very easy. This chart shows Dogecoin has definitely been on the hype coin of the week, reaching a new all-time high in a very short period of time, largely due to the spread from WSB and Reddit. Currently, Dogecoin has broken out of a pennant it's been in since the newly found all-time high, while finding support on the new uptrend line, although briefly breaking below yesterday. If Doge can break above a strong resistance level of 4 cents, we could potentially see a run-up close to the newly set all-time high. Bear case, if Doge fails, we could see it retest the 3 cents to 2 cents range. Watch out though, as market directions can change rapidly. What do you think Doge will do over the next few days? This chart reflects people's desire to hold on to the coin and sell Doge USD at a pretty expensive rate. If we look at the chart, we'll see that the buyers did not even let the Doge USD price go down to the lower border of the consolidation triangle. The upper border of the triangle is at the level of 5.5 cents. The liquidity zone on top is at 6 to 7 cents, which will be difficult to break through without, say, Elon Musk tweeting about it again. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. What are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're here, check out one of our other videos. See you next time.